Definitely, o tanto a whakapoto e sa ili ia se tau sala e tau o vea tato i le tau vanga o lumana nei o le tau vanga le mai se foi tau sala o le Pasifika o le whamoimoe o tau vanga nei e whanau loa tua i Lalangi o le tausala Samoa po le tausala al Pasifika o ni tausala e au le leitele le ngata in au le lei a toi ata mamai le ngata in ata mamai a toi fika o te lei manatua na iai se tātou tausala na whiriwhiria. Tausanga o tuana e 5x4. Sa whiriwhiria e ta iala lau tele ia. E loa ai o le tamaitai Samoa po le tamaitai o le Pasifika. E pito i au le leia tuai tene uma o le Lalangi. O le launga whapopole na Tonight is the highlight of our week-long Te Wila Festival. But it would be amiss for me not to acknowledge that this year is unique. Your government, and with your support, has just hosted a very successful Pacific Islands Forum leaders meeting, bringing to Samoa hundreds of delegates. And for that, a huge whamalo and whaftai from your government. But for tonight, it is a night where island glamour, fashion, art, creativity, beauty, intelligence, competition, and more are showcased on stage. This time, every year, we come together to witness and support the Miss Samoa pageant in celebration of the women of Samoa. The pageant itself is one of the widely followed events of the Te Wila Festival. It appeals to all generations as it promotes the development of women and acknowledges the contribution of our designers and artists whose continuous originality in their designs help develop our arts, culture, and country. The Miss Samoa pageant this year marks the ongoing partnership between government and the private sector. Government has just entrusted the Samoa Events Incorporated, the SAY, to take the organization, management, and hosting of the Miss Samoa pageant into the future, to the next level of professional, well-organized events in Samoa. This is further testament of the government's partnership vision with the private sector. Tonight, a new Miss Samoa will be crowned. That young lady will instantly become one of Samoa's national ambassadors, and a role model to all the young aspiring future Miss Samoas. She will proudly represent our country at various tourism forums, both here and abroad, and especially at the Miss Pacific Pageant 2017 in Fiji later in the year. As you can see, the theme for the McDonald's Miss Samoa Pageant 2017 is Beautiful, Colorful Samoa. And the theme for the Te Wila Festival 2017 is Beautiful Samoa. Combine the two together and we have My Beautiful Samoa. To our guests and visitors from abroad, welcome to our shores. Welcome to our beautiful Samoa. And when you depart from our shores, to take the fond memories of our beautiful Samoa with you. Lastly, on behalf of the government and people of Samoa, I take this opportunity to congratulate our reigning Miss Samoa, Priscilla Olana, for a job well done. On that note, I wish all the contestants of the Miss Samoa pageant all the best for tonight and in their future endeavors. I now declare the Miss Samoa pageant 2017 officially open and let the McDonald's Miss Samoa pageant begin. Soifua.
Vai tafele mumalo sami e ina e asunu ya mai le masina o atu manga fa solo solo e la foi no polo e vai tu mota ai o folau vai mo langi langi pesi au falo i leto sai o manule o te alofa te leia te oe e mita mita o anana ia te oe ki anga o malanga ia te lua pakalangi e me ngalo mai Samoa i lama masani e maua kua tola mawhaki uno mau ki makalu sani Masina e ina ea Utarata uma e ke alopani E alolopa kua e so o se tasi E ti oa moli mau mai le tasi tusi tala O Samoa o le perina o le me basa Samoa e o te alopa te
Sa O o Natalie lei tūlangi tue vai. O te sau mai nuu nei o a whenga. Vai lele. Ma vai sala. Ua luas fulu ma le tolu nei o tausanga. Ma o loa vea nei a o mawhaia o ngafsosoan I le University of Kilani. Ladies, gentlemen and judges, I am your contestant number 1, proudly representing our Samoan community in New Zealand as your Miss Samoa New Zealand, Whaftai.
From the University of Auckland. Natalie says she's the eldest of 2, but she was raised in New Zealand in the real Samoa way with numerous cousins around and in an upbringing of cultural traditions, Christian values and beliefs. Natalie has a passion for dance and says that she founded this passion for dance in our Siva Samoa. She says that dance is a true expression of what words cannot explain. That's why she likes it. It's an empowerment of women.
Thank you, Samoa, New Zealand.
Give her a hand of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Please welcome contestant number 2.
Ia I wa'atapu o topa ia, ma o to mamalu, fa'alupelupeina Samoa. Ta'alofa lava, greetings, ladies and gentlemen. As for our visitors from overseas, welcome to the beautiful, colorful Samoa. I am Carameli Oriana Schuster, 23, and I am your Miss Events, Marketing and Distribution, EMD, Whawhetai.
Ladies and gentlemen, Carameli is 23 years old, as she has told you. And she was very distinct to tell me that she hails from Sinamonga, Fasitouta, Salani Palealili, Ulutosia, Aleipata, and Salemoa and Apia. Proud of all of her villagers, she holds a Bachelor of Science degree. And guess what? With this week of information technology, she holds a Bachelor of Science degree in computer science and information technology. Carameli loves touch rugby, reading, fashion, dancing, and listening to music. Carameli says, I've lived in Samoa all my life, excluding the 5 years I was in Suva. She says, I joined Titan Women's Touch to develop my skills and knowledge of the sport. Carameli is friendly and time-orientated, and she's excited about what the future brings and her journey ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss EMD.
Thank you, Miss EMD. Please give a warm welcome for contestant number 3.
Te lei sopoloa whamanaia le vai o tau sala. I o pa ia ang ngui mo sa vai vai loloa. o te muai whaatalofa tuai I le suafa manumalo Yesu Keriso sia watunu vela Samoa talofa, talofa, talofa lava. Ai ole anu watuia I o paia Samoa a wai whaingata o le tātulu ua uma ona tofu. Ina le ile ngafa tauli maina I sau whamatalanga o na avea lea malape I le tanga ngana. O au, o luma ava, tuna, papali'i, tautai, o le ua, tusiata langa. O te sau mai a whioanga, o sa papali'i, whanga, salailua, papasa taua, sangone, awala, mawaisa ulisa vai. Ai olo ono pone, I palisi lalabaya. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Special good evening, distinguished judges, guests, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Luma Ava, Tuna Papali'i Tautai Oleua Siata Langa. I am 21 years of age, hail from the beautiful villages of Sabapali'i, Whanga, Salailua, Papasatawa, Awala, Vaisa Ulusabai. Currently, I'm residing at Valisi Lalovaya. I am your contestant number 3, and I am proudly sponsored by Dariana Mangalui. Thank
you. Lumara, is 21 years of age, and she is a student of the National University of Samoa. She's in her second year doing a Bachelor of Education, future teacher for Samoa. Her hobbies are netball, touch rugby, reading, and singing. Luma says, I come from a family of 5 brothers and 5 sisters. Ladies and gentlemen, she deserves a clap just for that. And I am a proud Apia Primary School Lay Fifi College graduate. She is passionate, optimistic, dedicated young person who takes responsibility seriously with enthusiasm. Put your hands together once more, ladies and gentlemen, for Luma Ava.
Thank you, Ms. Taihano Maungalui. Please welcome your contestant number 4.
Ai o te lei si se matala langa, pe o te asaina le pao filifili o le ni wha moe moe. O te fia feane Samoa, le anga e whaingata lau tapua inga. O te pātalo whaatu, I le paia malua o fia, mai maunga te tele, se ia o maunga iti. Tō mai a lau pule, e manu ia ai le nei wha moe moe. Talofa, talofa, talofa lava. My name is Naitosala Jane Schuster, and I'm 24 years of age. I hail from the villages of Ululoloa, Lotafanga Sa'afata, and Sa'asa'ai Savai. I am your proud representative of your one and only clothing shop, Tabs Fashion and Design.
Just 1, 2.
Naitosala attended Lake Fifi College, Haveli College, and Ashburton College in New Zealand. As an occupation, she is an owner and director of Golden Paws Company in Ashburton, New Zealand. Ladies and gentlemen, a young lady who already has her own business. Her hobbies are reading, business networking, and volunteering. Like Tosala says, I was born and bred in Samoa until my family migrated in New Zealand. She says she moved there and was determined, motivated, became optimistic, and wanted to do something beneficial from the move to New Zealand. She says, when the going gets tough, I'm very good at finding solutions to problems. She says, I am positive, enthusiastic, and she enjoys and relishes a challenge. Naitusala is fun, easygoing, and a sociable person. She enjoys spending time with her family and her extended family. Ladies and gentlemen, Naitusala. Put your hands together for Ms. Tapsa.
Thank you, Ms. Tapsa. Please welcome your contestant number 5.
Tulona ia o e Samoa, o le ua whaaloa whingata. I o malu wee, i o malu tupu, ai meise o malu whaale talalelei. I o papa tū loto, ma o pā le solo. Mai nganga e, se ia, pa ia tululunga. Tulo, tulo, tulona ia. Ai o te ofa alofa ma whaata alofa. I le suwafa pa ia ma le mamalu, o lo tātou atua manu mālo. I la wafionga i le ao le mamalu o le mālo, ma lo masiofo. Le afionga i le palemia ma lana masiofo. Le kapeneta masuito fia o le fono. Le aufa i lotu i so se fata o le tala lelei. O mua aufa a lele ma fetu faao o le atua. Ai maise Samoa malona manuia. Ta alofa, ta alofa, ta alofa lava. Ui titi upui mala, ai tele upui manu. A wau le tu ua i siaso, lana whaasoa tua foe. Ua ta ofi mamau ai pēr whao, i le taita fola o le tui manua. E tu mau ai pēr lona vi inga, e whaavavau lava. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, special guests and judges. My name is Fasi Faitafa Talimatasi Leolevave. I am 22 years of age and I hail from the beautiful villages of Faleatiu, Mavaimea, Iupolu, Maiva, Mafonga Poe Savai. And I am proudly sponsored by Miss Samoa New South Wales organisation and the community of Sydney. Whakatai lava.
Fasi Faitafa Talimatasi is 22 years age, as she has said. She's a full-time student studying a Bachelor of Nursing at the University of Western Sydney. She's in her second year. She grows up in a strict Samoan Christian family, she says, but it has taught her the importance of embracing her culture and in understanding the Samoa way of life. Tassi says that she was brought up in a Christian household with an emphasis on the value of respect, discipline, and humility. Health is her passion, and Tassi says that she would like to pursue a career in nursing in the future. She strives to give back to her Samoan community. She would like to bring back her skills and knowledge from overseas to bless Samoa in the future. Tassi is honored to be part of Miss McDonald's Samoa 2017 pageant. Ladies and gentlemen, Give Pasi a hand of applause.
Thank you, Miss. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome contestant number 6.
I'll have to do it with these mics, it's just not working this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome contestant number 6.
Talofa, talofa, talofa lava. O wau, o Hopeland a Yesi Toloa, o te saume alalafanga, o faso tai, falefa, faleula, matua mua. Ua lus fulutasi o tausanga. Ladies and gentlemen, I greet you with warm greetings from my beautiful sponsors, Arile Couture, the Millennia Hotel, and the committee of the Miss Samoa Australia. So sit back and relax and focus on me as I am your shooting star, the Miss Samoa Australia contestant number 6, Whakatai lava.
Oakland is a full-time student pursuing a Bachelor of Education and a Bachelor of Arts and Humanities Studies. As an occupation, Oakland is a customer service representative in Woodward's News Agency. Her hobbies are singing, dancing, reading, and sports. Oakland says it's always been a dream to be in a beauty pageant and to be in a form of which I'm able to represent my country, Samoa. She says it is overwhelming to be here, and it has been a blessing to be chosen as Miss Samoa Australia this year. She looks forward to the experience and the many challenges that she's going to face. But she says the Lord will help me, and I will do my best, and He will do the rest. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Hopeland.
Thank you, Samoa, Australia. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on the stage your contestant number 7.
Talofa Samoa, ua au whangapotu mai. Whaftai lea li'i, ua whaatasia I tātou I le manuia le lei. E langona le whaalia, e whai se tala, a wā e le ngawha taulima ina I se upu. E popo, ma o oe Samoa. E amata mai I manua, e o I le mea e ngoto I ai le la. Tūlou lava, o loo ingoa o Adele Whaosifia, luas fulutasi o Utausanga, o te sau mai whangalii, Tia Vea, Vaiee, Siumu, Manei Afu I Savai. O loo lango ina au, mai le Miss Samoa Victoria Incorporated, ma le community o Victoria, whawhitai lava.
Adele holds a Victoria Certificate in Music Production. She is an NAD Assistant Advisor at the National Australia Bank. Her hobbies are singing, hiking, sightseeing, traveling, and exploring. Adele says she is one of 6 children raised by pastoral parents within the Christian faith. Adele owns a business called Gleamin' with Adele. It provides makeup services. She says her lifetime motto is to follow the call of God and not the need of man. Adele has a passion for living a Christian life in this time of world turbulence and supports groups and activities that promote the preservation of the environment, as this is a gift from God. Put your hands together for Adele.
Thank you, Ms. Samoa Victoria. Please welcome your contestant number 8.
Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for contestant number 8.
Ta lofa laha Samoa. O au o Natasha Darrow. Ua lua se fulu malelima nei o tausanga. O te sau mai bata nei savai. Mamata au tuapia. O lo lango ina au ele original style. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Natasha Darrow. I am your contestant number 8, and I'm proudly sponsored by Original Style, Batai.
Natasha holds a Bachelor of Arts with a double major in Anthropology, Film and Media from Otago University, New Zealand. She's currently a part-time student as she is doing her postgraduate degree in Gender Studies from the University of the South Pacific in Alafua. She's in her final semester. Natasha is a senior public analyst with the Public Service Commission here in Samoa. Natasha's hobbies are reading, hanging out with her friends, exercising, watching movies and listening to music. Natasha says that she's from a family of 3 and her mother is her role model that has contributed to her independence and passion for gender equality. She was born and raised in Samoa and she enjoys meeting new people, learning different cultures and traveling. Natasha is a member of the Apia Protestant Church. She says she loves fashion and enjoys new experiences. I'm outgoing, says Natasha. I'm our family breadwinner and I'm always striving for the best. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Natasha.
Thank you, Ms. Original Style. Last, but certainly not the least, please welcome your contestant number 9.
Hey, hey! Ho, ho! Talofa lava Samoa. Fatalo fatu, tato fala putonga, ile nei tu la le afiafi. Ai opa ia mo mamalu Samoa, ole ale o ia ise leo, ole nei au auna. Wow, o Alexandra Jacopo, ua luas fulu maletolu o tausanga. Ole tene male moto fai me mafai. Mai sabu pali, mafusi sa fotu la fai. Alo pa mautune I momoa. Wao lo su salvano meraiva. Mai la ngona le fanga etia ma le loto faftai. Ono le neia mano fa aro. O mafai ai ono o awai le nei fa moi moi. Ona. Ole langa langa sua. A lau company. Le House of Gold. Greetings to you all, ladies and gentlemen. I am Alexandra Jacopo, 23 years of age, hailing from the beautiful Sabapali and Fusisa Potulafai, but currently residing at Samoa. I am your contestant number 9, and I am honored and pleased for this golden opportunity to be a part of this event. And I owe it all to my sponsor, your one and only House of Gold!
Alexandra holds a Bachelor of Arts degree from the National University of Samoa. She is a qualifications officer for Samoa Qualification Authority. Her hobbies are reading, arts and crafts, entertainment, music, sports, and traveling. Alexandra says that she is a descendant of German, Tokelauan, and Samoan ancestry, born to parents serving as deacons for the Catholic Church. Born in Samoa, raised in Jamaica and USA. She says, I have faced challenges that have strengthened my faith, and I am eager to grow as an individual, serve and share my culture with the world, and contribute to the sustainable development of Samoa. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Alexandra.
Thank you, Ms. House of Gold.
Our country has been severely affected by the impacts of climate change. To address these major impacts of climate change, Samoa has committed itself to a tool called NAMA, which is aimed at reducing greenhouse gas emissions for Samoa. Samoa's NAMA focuses on supporting sustainable land transport. Based on research in 2007, the transport sector is responsible for the highest level of greenhouse gas emissions. It is likely that there has been an increase in greenhouse gas emissions as we have seen an increase in the number of vehicles imported into our country. Therefore, we need to monitor this increase and identify ways to reduce the emissions from land transport sector. Samoa's NAMA hopes to achieve and contribute to reducing climate change impacts in the world by reducing the impacts locally.
Triple T Services Inc. We do general construction, welding and fencing, security, landscaping, tree trimming, general maintenance, news media, and commercial transportation. Call us on 258-5300 or email ttolwono@gmail.com. We can do it now. Safety is our priority.